Hey everyone, welcome to my room tour today. I have made myself comfortable now, and I have to say that I really like to live here, and because of two reasons. First reason, as you know, in Papua it's quite hot, and these houses that are built on sticks just above the water, around 1.5 meters above the water, they are always nice and fresh because there's always a nice breeze. Even now there's a nice breeze, therefore it's always nice and comfortable. And the second reason is because it might still be a bit warm, or you want some fresh air, then you open the windows. And normally in the jungle, just there in the back of the village, there is jungle, and normally in the jungle you have a lot of mosquitoes and other insects and stuff like that. You don't have that here. And the third reason is you could just literally sit here like me and put your nylon into the water with a hook or a fishing rod if you have, and then you can catch some nice fish. And I'm gonna show you around now. I'm gonna show you what it looks like where I live and what you could expect if you might come here. On the jetty here, where you can literally jump into the water and enjoy a cold swim. We also have a solar panel here because the power is only at night, so we have a solar panel that supplies us with enough power. I have my chair. Usually I relax here because the sunset is right over there, so you can just relax here and enjoy a beautiful sunset. Here I have a bucket with all my garden stuff if I want to go to the garden and do some work there. And here you come into my small little room. So now you have a very funny bed. It's Lego. I didn't choose that, it's not my favorite, but anyway, here we have a small room. I have my desk here. I can work and do my stuff. I have a lot of space. There are still some things that need to be bought and built by some locals. For example, here there will be a small shelf and a place where you can put your clothes and some other stuff as well, and a nicer table. Now we come into the back room. Here we can see we have a small storage room. There is going to be a sink and a small area to get yourself ready. And here we come into the bathroom. So the bathroom, small but nice. Here we can see the power system. I'm not too sure. We can see inside there's a small battery. There's a solar power regulator, a charge controller, and you can plug some stuff. They also have an inverter, so it's quite easy to charge stuff. For me it's amazing. If you go out here, you wake up every morning and you have that beautiful view. For me it's just incredible. I really like it. And if I really want to chill, I just go into my hammock. I have a beautiful hammock here, so you can just relax in that hammock and have a rest. Sometimes I take my laptop and work a little bit. Here we come to the more communal area. We have some herbs here, and in the communal area you also have the place where I have my plants. So here we have terong. So these are eggplants, and on the left side, of course, #1 in Indonesia, chili, hot peppers. So now we come to the area where the family from Mr. Syarif lives, and we're gonna go through a little bit and have a look at this area. We can see here is the boat on the right side, and here's the other boat, and we're quickly gonna check out this area. Here we see some water tanks, and we have more plants. There's ginger, there's some dragon fruits. We are still waiting for this dragon fruit to get some fruits. Right now it's still no fruits on it. We don't have any dragon fruits, unfortunately, but they will come. Just need to wait for the flowers. Here's the water tank. It's 2,500 liter. And over here I have actually planted some lemongrass, because lemongrass is always nice in the kitchen and it grows really well up here. Absolutely no problem. It's already big. Actually I bought that in Sorong on the market. If you remember my video, we bought in the beginning a lot of lemongrass with the intention to plant it right here. So sometimes I'm sitting up here just enjoying the sunset, and here again we have another view onto that little house where I'm living at the moment. So for the water, it's a bit of a problem here because there's no real running water, so we have to make sure that we get some rainwater and we collect it, and therefore we have those drums in here. There are 2 drums and some other drums all over the house, so we can basically fill them up once it's raining. Then we can connect those drums to a pump, and those pumps will bring it up into the big tank. So let's go back to my room. I want to continue editing this video. I might do it in the hammock if I feel like it, but now it's quite hot, so I might just relax in the room, doors wide open, fresh breeze, and I hope you enjoy the video.